So that's good. So let's check our song examples now. We've already been using this song as the there panteth for. So let's do it one more time. So I'm going to use some of those chords now. I'll try not to be fast, so you can check some of those chords. So house the Tritone panteth for. We blend this. The water summer long enough to be 3, 6, 2, 5, right? I gave you this chord in F. My heart desire and alone to worship you, right? So that's one example. Now let me quickly do this other song also. Okay, I'd like to do let me do this other song. For you, great, you do miracles. So let's do 7 to 6. For you are great, you do miracles so great. Because I showed you, there is no one else. People will start loving your piano playing now, like you. Just work on this tutorial. There is no one else like you. All right, so that's that. So let's look at another song. Because of who you are, I give you hallelujah. Upper structures on 5. Because of who you are, I give you praise. 5-1, I give you praise. Then 5-1, 1. Because of whom, pedal point on 4, you are. Lift my the 3-6 I gave you. Sing the 6, Lord, I worship you. The 5, you because of whom, tension, release, you are. Lord, I worship you because of who you are. What was that? On 1 I did. Then I did major 2. Then I came back to 1. I do that a lot. You should start doing that. So I just use to create also harmonic interest. Pedal points